Welcome to part 2 of Wheelhouse's product configuration series. This video will explain how to use the item designer to create new products for product configuration. In the previous video, we introduced the concept of a product configurator and how to navigate within it. If you haven't seen it, we suggest watching that first before continuing with this guide. Let's start by creating a configurable mountain bike as our example product. First, navigate to Items in the left menu, select Item, and then click New Item. Enter a name and display name. Choose Product as the item type from the drop-down and save. Now we have our mountain bike product. For the next step, we'll use the item designer to organize the customizations for this product. Click the Item Designer icon to open the application. The left side of the page displays items already created in the database. You can search for and drag items from this sidebar to add them to your configurator structure. Since we'll be creating all our items, let's hide this menu and expand the designer by clicking the Expand icon in the toolbar. Products are structured using categories, option groups, and options. Categories are the top-level divisions, like shock and fork on a mountain bike. Option groups, such as rear shock options and fork options, fall under categories and contain specific options, like Racing Shocks X2, that customers can select. Let's add some frame options to our mountain bike. Start by creating an option group for bike frames by selecting the ellipses icon and clicking New Child Item. Enter a name and select an item type. For this option group, we want users configuring this bike to select one and only one bike frame. So let's select Option Group 1 of 1 as the item type. Now we can add some frame options for users to select from. We'll add two frames, the Bobcat X3000 and the Screaming Eagle frame. Both will be item type option. We'll make the Bobcat X3000 the default option with no additional price, while the Screaming Eagle will be an upgrade for $400. We can make certain options selected by default. If you have predefined categories, you can select them now. The option group and options beneath it will inherit the same category. Now that we've defined the frame option group and its options, we can do the same for an accessory option group. The item type for this accessory option group will be 0 to many, meaning users can select 0 or more accessory options. We can quickly add some images to our options to help users visualize their choices when using the configurator. Let's preview the configurator we just created. We'll add more to it in the next video. The preview provides a visual representation of the product, showing categories like frame and accessories as top-level containers. The option group, Frame Options, is nested under its assigned category. This option group contains our two frame options, the Bobcat X3000 and the Screamin' Eagle bike frame. Here is the accessories category with its option group and our three accessory options. This concludes our item designer guide. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next part of our series.